My name is Tim Schweitzer. I own Schweitzer Performance in near Cleveland, Ohio. One of our primary platforms that we work on is the R35, or the Nissan R35 GTR.
We're here at the Kennedy Space Center with my 2009 Nissan GTR. Sirius Auto Sport is a company that does just about anything you can imagine to a vehicle. We have my car here is an example of what we've done. It's got a phenomenal JL Audio stereo system. It has 900 horsepower. It's a very, very fast car, but not too fast. It's it will perform on a road course. It'll perform here at the mile event at the Kennedy Space Center. It does well in the quarter mile, and it's a daily driver. I mean, I drive it to and from work every day. So not only is it a fast, fun car to own, but the performance is outstanding. Well, we're here at the Kennedy Space Center, sitting in the middle of a 3.5 mile long, 300 foot wide giant piece of concrete. It's the best place I could possibly think of to bring my car to try and set a world record for the standing mile for the Nissan GTR. We've come pretty close. We've been testing and tuning all day long. Tomorrow morning is our big opportunity to try and set the record. We hope to go over 200 miles an hour.